Your mom, I know she's a big fan of your work. She still come on set? She still visit you?
K-Mac still comes to sets. Her dream was to be on Golden Girls.
Oh, wow.
Somehow.
That's a very noble dream. Yeah.
Hey, with a capital N.
Yeah.
And so I guess when she got around 70, she decided, you know what? Maybe I'm not as limber as I need to be for Golden Girls anymore. I'm going to start, when I get to Matthew's sets, I'm going to make sure that I find, she always comes up, she goes, who's the one with the money? Who's the one that can get things done? And I'm like, that guy over there, or that woman over there. And she'll go corner them. And for about 12 years, she had a pitch to, so said Money Man producer. She had this great idea. Listen to this. Brilliant. We need to remake The Graduate. I'll play the Anne Bancroft role. Matthew will be the Dustin Hoffman role. So what's the first reaction? Is like, but don't you know? And Mom always said, oh, it's not that big of a deal. I've seen it before.
Still unmade. This is one of those unmade classics.
Unmade. And I mean, there was a couple of times people were like, that could make some money. So she stopped doing that at 82. She's now 86. She hasn't pitched any of the producers. I don't know what she's got on her mind now.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
Well, maybe this Golden Girl thing will come back around. You never know.
Something.
I want to know if this is a true story. Your father had a cockatiel.
Yeah.
Am I saying that right?
Yeah, cockatiel.
And there was a story about a very harrowing evening with the cockatiel.
This was a summer where I was living with my dad. Mom was not around. I thought she was on an extended vacation in Florida. Now, I understand they were in the middle of their second divorce.
Your parents got divorced twice.
Married 3 times. So this was a long summer where I just thought Mom was on this long vacation. So I'm living with my dad, and we had this cockatiel. And would let it fly freely. Well, he came home from work one day, and then I came in, and he was looking for his cockatiel. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It's not in the cage. It's not anywhere to be found. Go in the bathroom, and there it was circling in the bottom of the toilet. Not moving. Done.
How does that even happen?
I guess it flew in and got under the rim of the seat. It couldn't get out over and over and over, and just laying in the water, got soaking wet, I guess.
Yeah.
You know? Being a cockatiel detective expert. So anyway, it's floating and it's circling.
CSI Birds.
And, hey, coming to you, 8 p.m. Dad immediately starts weeping and gets down, drops to 2 knees and pulls this soaking wet cockatiel bird out. And I remember these tears going down his face, and my dad holding this wet bird, then suddenly putting the bird's mouth and his head in his mouth. And he started going, but like at the perfect, my dad was a big man, 6'4", 265. He did it with big arms, big man. And he did it with the perfect amount of pressure you would do to a small bird that size. Just enough to even blow his lungs up. And he sat there and he kept going, tears were coming down his face. And damned if after about 45 seconds, the bird starts flapping. Lets it fly out.
That's the movie.
That's cool.
That's the movie.
That's cool.
Well, cheers to that,
Hey, cheers.
and cheers to the bourbon and the film. Thanks for being on.